Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the Pride Mobility Elite Traveler 2 Platinum. This is an upgraded version of their zero turn Elite Traveler. They've been making the Elite Traveler for quite some time now, and they have now made some more upgrades to it. The initial upgrade was they had a zero turn capability. As you can see how tight these wheels turn, and we'll kind of drive it around here in just a second, let you see that. But they've added a couple really cool features here. So when you get in, one of the things that I like best is when I'm sitting here, if I want to adjust the tiller, in most cases you would have to reach down and turn the knob here. With this, I can turn it with my hand and I can adjust the tiller, or I can use my foot and adjust the tiller. So it's a nice little feature without having to loosen, tighten up, and little things like that. So I think that will be super handy for somebody that's wanting to adjust the tiller when they get in and out. Also, when you're folding it up, it's gonna make it a lot easier when you take this thing apart. The other thing that they have is their magnetic charger here. So if you'll see this right here, all I have to do is just click and it charges. Okay, so it goes in. There's no other three prongs. You don't have to, there's no way to really mess this up. You hit it, it magnetically connects, and you're good to go. What's also nice is not only does it do it right here, but if I were to take the battery box off here, I can do it right there as well. So it does it on the battery box, does it on the device. Nice feature. You're going to be able to get this in 5 colors. It comes standard in the matte black. It's got a 300-pound weight capacity. One of the things about it, the turning radius at 37 for a 4-wheel scooter is huge. Being able to do that, you just don't find that in most of your portable scooters. I'm going to go ahead though, and I'm going to take it apart just real quick. It's very similar to all the other Pride Mobility scooters. Quick release right here. Pop that, and then there I am with my 4 pieces. I can take the tiller and easily fold it down, and then I can pick this up, no problem. So, they've done a good job. It's just a couple minor upgrades for the difference of it. I think people really like the electromagnetic charger piece, and then I think they are going to like the tiller. Again, it's got the same features and benefits as the Elite Traveler 2, but this one is called the Platinum. So really nice chair. If you have questions about it, you can give us a call at 615-258-6778, or you can always visit us at allstarmedicalusa.com.